Right now at 4:30, the DACA decision. Today, the U.S. Supreme Court ruled against President Trump's efforts to end legal protections for young immigrants.
DACA, or the Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals program, has allowed nearly 800,000 so-called dreamers to stay in the United States. Chief Justice John Roberts was the swing vote in the 5-4 decision. The ruling says the federal government failed to provide adequate justification for ending DACA. Today, DACA supporters gathered outside the Supreme Court to celebrate the decision.
This shows us that when we fight, we win. We're going to continue fighting.
We can rest for another day, knowing that we don't have to worry about being targeted.
The decision does leave the door open for the Trump administration to try to end DACA again with a new strategy and a more detailed explanation.
But for now, the decision is welcome news for thousands of dreamers that were bracing for a different outcome. Telemundo Chicago's Benjamin Zamora joins us to explain what today's legal decision means. Ben?
Michelle, legal experts say that today's ruling brings new hope for thousands of dreamers that have not been able to apply for DACA since 2017. In a historic 5-4 decision, the Supreme Court blocked President Trump's bid to end DACA. Immigration lawyers say this decision is a big win for dreamers that have been fighting in the courts since 2017.
In my legal opinion, as soon as that Supreme Court was entered, new applicants for DACA, individuals who never before either qualified or for whatever reason filed an application, they now become eligible to file for DACA benefits. But how do they get those benefits? Unfortunately, we need to wait for instructions from the agency.
Tapia adds the ruling reinstates the program to what it was in 2017, allowing for advanced parole, a program that would approve travel permits for dreamers outside the U.S. under certain rules. But it does nothing for dreamers that have been deported already. USCIS said in a statement, today's court opinion has no basis in law and merely delays a president's lawful ability to end the illegal Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals amnesty program. Lawyers say that President Trump has the ability to sign a new executive order canceling the program, but it would likely end up in the courts again. I'm Ben Zamora, NBC5.
All right, thank you, Ben. And many